Hello guys, let's cook adobo ala Jane. Ayan, una pinirito niya muna yung atay. Then, ayan, iset aside niya yan muna. Tapos susunod niya na yung balon-balonan. Ayan, and then pipirituhin niya lang muna yan hanggang sa matuto yung balon-balonan na yan. After, sinet aside niya ulit yun. And then, naggisa na siya ng bawang at sibuyas.
Ng sibuyas at bawang. Para magkalas ang ating mga niluluto. I'm swimming in everything. I'm thinking about jumping in it. Girl, I got you steady, dripping deep inside my head. Ayan din.
Para mabilis maluto.
Black pepper, then chili flakes, then soy sauce and tomato sauce. Ano ba ito? I don't know. This one?
Salty?
Yeah.
No, oyster sauce.
Oyster sauce, yeah.
Naging ngongo na.
Hindi mo na kailangan. Put the sugar. Only 2 tablespoons, you know. Then this one. The magic sarap! Ito ang tunay na nagpapasarap ng adobo.
Eh, baka may sponsor tayo, B. Magic
Kaya
sarap, baka
i-try nyo
naman.
na to, mga beshi. Yan. Tapos, lalagay na natin yung potato para matuyuan na siya. You know? Only, I think enough.
Yeah.
Not too much. Not too much.
Ang laksa po yung...
Okay. Yeah.
Cover again.
Cover again.
For 10 years.
Yeah, 10 years. Only 5 minutes.
Para
Then, vinegar.
gato puti, baka naman.
Gato to puti. You know, gato puti is very nice. I think 3 big spoon. Then, don't put shake because not good.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, baka mag-viral ka na. Yun na yun.
Nabash pa.